Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've had quite a few people contact myself asking how I did the moon silhouette shoot. So here's a 2-minute guide on how to achieve a moon silhouette shoot. To plan a shoot, I'll use my PhotoPills app. The black pin is where I want my subject, and the red marker is where I'll be for the shoot itself. Ahead of the shoot, I'll visit the site for my shooting angle to make sure my line of sight is unobscured. I'll then visit where my subject will be to make sure access is fine. For the shoot itself, I'll start by increasing my ISO way up to 51,000 so I can see the subject in the darkness to make sure they are where I need them. A total of 206 images were captured during the shoot. Here you can see the start and end times along with my exposure for the shoot. You don't get long with this type of shoot, so having ideas ahead of the moonrise is essential. With the images captured, I'll then edit down to make a shortlist of images. On this occasion, my shortlist was 19 images. And these are my final 6 images that I selected for my social media channels. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks guys.